Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about cultivating a growth mindset and why it's so important for personal and professional success. First, let's define what a growth mindset is. It's the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and perseverance. A growth mindset is different from a fixed mindset, which is the belief that your abilities and intelligence are set in stone and can't be changed. Why is a growth mindset so important? People with a growth mindset approach challenges and obstacles as opportunities for growth, instead of viewing them as insurmountable hurdles. They believe that effort and determination are key to success, and are not discouraged by setbacks or failures. So, how do you cultivate a growth mindset? Here are a few tips. Embrace challenges. Don't shy away from challenges. Instead, embrace them and see them as opportunities to grow and learn. Focus on progress instead of focusing on the end goal. Focus on the progress you're making towards it. Celebrate small wins and take pride in your efforts. Learn from failures. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of dwelling on your mistakes, focus on what you can learn from them and use them as opportunities to grow. Surround yourself with growth-oriented individuals. Surround yourself with people who have a growth mindset and who will support and encourage you on your journey. Embrace change and be open to new ideas and experiences. Be willing to try new things and challenge yourself in new ways. Practice gratitude. Take time to reflect on the things you're grateful for and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive self-talk. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments and avoid self-criticism. By cultivating a growth mindset, you'll be able to tackle obstacles with a positive attitude and view failures as opportunities to learn and grow. So, start embracing challenges and focus on your progress and watch as your life and abilities transform. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips will help you cultivate a growth mindset and lead a more fulfilling life. Remember, your ability to grow and improve is not set in stone. It's up to you to seize every opportunity to develop and reach your full potential.